Myself Pramod Nagar. Today topic plant growth and development. Growth, plant growth and development. So now growth is characteristics feature of living organism. Okay, so growth is characteristic feature of the living organism, means all living organisms so is growth. Okay, and talking about the plant growth related to, means plant growth is irregular and animal growth is diffused growth, means growth is characteristic feature of the living organism and plant growth is irregular growth and animal growth is diffuse growth. Okay, and now growth suspended region. Okay, two regions, one is exogenous and second is endogenous. Exogenous include environmental factor. Okay, means light, temperature, water, oxygen, CO2 means gases, and endogenous factors means genetic factor. So now growth suspended causes is exogenous, endogenous. Exogenous environmental factor, endogenous factor is genetic factor. Environmental factor consists of light, temperature, water, oxygen and carbon dioxide. Okay, and now phase of growth. Two types growth phase. One is arithmetic growth and second is geometric growth phase. Okay, now we will discuss first arithmetic growth phase. Arithmetic growth phase understood by these equations: and final length and initial length add RT. R is biotic potential and T is time. So is mathematical equation and solve this equation and draw its diagram. Height of plant and time. Now see this equation is straight line. Okay, so length is directly proportional to R. Okay, and second is geometric growth. Geometric growth equation, final growth W naught is initial growth. So this growth is exponential growth and this growth diagram is sigmoid growth. This phase is lag phase and this phase is long phase and this phase is stationary phase. And maximum growth long phase is so maximum growth, means in three phase. This first is lag phase, second is long phase and third is stationary phase. Now discuss is third term, absolute, and means this initially growth in leaf, means this is area is 5 centimeter square, and sometime after this growth, so and now total area is increasing and now area is 10 centimeters square. Means initial and final difference is 5 centimeter square, and this difference final area of the leaf and initial leaf is this difference is 5 centimeters square, and this difference is called absolute growth. Okay, final growth minus initial growth equal to absolute, and relative growth is reference growth. Means 5 initial growth and is 10 is final growth and is 100 percentage, and how much percentage in is 10 is 200. Now discuss about the growth phase. Two types of growth phase. First is absolute growth phase. Means absolute growth phase, absolute growth rate means final growth minus initial growth, and second term is relative growth rate. This growth rate is absolute growth rate and upon is initial growth into 100. Means this relative growth rate is percentage growth rate, means percentage of the absolute growth rate. Okay, so now discuss one example. This is leaf surface area is 5 centimeter square. Okay, and sometime after this leaf area 10 centimeter square. Okay, this indicate B. Now calculate the absolute growth. Absolute growth now is 10 minus 5 equal to 5 centimeter square. Okay, and this calculate relative growth rate, and relative growth rate is absolute growth upon initial growth rate into 100. So as absolute growth is 5 and initial growth is 5 and into 100 means relative growth is 100%. Okay, now today topic is complete, plant growth, and tomorrow we'll discuss about the growth regulators in plant. Okay, thank you.